Welcome, traveler of the quiet mind. You've arrived at the river beneath the stars where time flows not forward, but inward. If you wish, close your eyes. Feel your breath drift like a leaf upon gentle current. The world behind you grows small. The night opens wide. There's no destination, only discovery. Tonight, we will sail the soft waters of the cosmos, where knowledge glimmers like moonlight on moving tide. Each truth we touch will ripple through you, not to awaken, but to soothe. I am the sleepy scientist, your companion in the art of stillness. I do not teach, I listen with you. Together, we follow the hum of creation, the quiet music that began before time itself. Let your thoughts become water. Let your heartbeat find the rhythm of the stars. The universe, vast and patient, folds around you like a gentle hand. Breathe in the cool air of eternity. Breathe out the weight of the day. And now, let go. Our voyage begins not in distance, but in surrender, a slow drifting into the tender dark. Let your breath slow, soft as a breeze across a midnight plain, and imagine the stars above. They seem still, don't they? Pinpricks of light pinned to the velvet sky. But they're not fixed. They wander, drifting through the cosmos like fireflies on an endless night. Every star you see is moving, carried by the galaxy's gentle spin or dancing to its own quiet rhythm. Our sun, a modest star, travels at hundreds of thousands of miles per hour, circling the Milky Way's heart. It takes 230 million years to complete one loop, a cosmic waltz that began before the dinosaurs. Picture it. A star, your star, gliding through space, trailing planets like whispers in its wake. Each movement is slow, deliberate, as if the universe savors every step of this dance. What does it feel like to know you're traveling too, carried along by this ancient motion? Your breath mirrors it now, in and out. A rhythm as old as the galaxy itself. Stars don't rush, they drift, and yet they cover distances beyond imagining. This motion connects you to them, a quiet reminder that you, too, are part of the cosmic flow. Feel your body soften, your thoughts loosen, like leaves floating on a starlit stream. The stars have wandered for billions of years, and they'll wander still, long after tonight. What's it like to be part of this journey? To know you're never truly still? Let your mind drift with the stars, weightless, carried by their silent momentum. Each twinkle above is a traveler, just like you, moving through the infinite dark. Breathe out, and let your worries slip away, dissolving into the galaxy's gentle spin. And as the stars continue their quiet, endless journey, your thoughts fade, melting softly into the calm of sleep's embrace. Let your mind settle, gentle as a leaf falling through twilight air, and turn your thoughts to the moon. It hangs there, silent and silver, a faithful companion to our world. But it's not staying close. It drifts away, inch by inch, year by year. Each orbit, the moon pulls at the oceans, and in return, Earth tugs back, ever so softly. This dance slows our planet's spin and sends the moon spiraling outward, like a whisper fading, about 1.5 inches farther each year. A quiet farewell across the cosmic sea. Imagine it, tides rising and falling, marking the rhythm of this gentle parting. In billions of years, the moon will seem smaller, its glow a distant memory in the night sky. What does it feel like to know even the moon so steady is on its own slow journey? Your breath echoes this now. In and out. A tide of air, rising and receding. The universe is full of such drifts. Nothing truly still, everything in soft motion. This parting is peaceful, not sad. A reminder that change comes like a sigh, not a storm. Feel your worries ease, dissolving like mist under the moon's soft light. The earth and moon have danced for eons, and they'll dance on in their widening circle. What's it like to be part of this cosmic rhythm? To feel the pull of distant worlds? Let your thoughts wander, carried by the moon's quiet retreat, light and free. Each night, it rises a little farther, yet its light still reaches you, warm and eternal. Breathe deeply, and let your body sink into the calm, as if cradled by lunar glow. And as the moon continues its soft, endless drift, let your eyelids grow heavy, soft as petals closing at dusk, and drift your thoughts to the depths of space. There, in the remnants of ancient stars, neutron stars pulse, spinning with a rhythm that defies the mind. Born from the collapse of massive suns, these dense spheres are cities squeezed into the size of mountains. A teaspoon of their matter weighs billions of tons, yet they twirl up to hundreds of times per second. Like cosmic lighthouses, they beam radio waves, sweeping through the dark, marking their endless turns. We call them pulsars. Their signals steady, like a heartbeat echoing across the void. Imagine it. A star's core, crushed and whirling, sending whispers of light to distant worlds. Each spin is a memory of explosion, a supernova's gentle aftermath, now calm and precise. What does it feel like to sense this distant pulse, as if the universe is breathing with you? Your own heart slows now. W in and out, syncing with the quiet cadence of these spinning wonders. Neutron stars don't falter. Their rotations slow only over eons, like a sigh extending forever. This precision helps us map the cosmos, their beams like guides through the infinite night. Feel your tensions unwind, unraveling like threads in a pulsar's faint glow. These stars have spun for billions of years, guardians of time in the galaxy's silent watch. What's it like to be touched by such ancient rhythm? To know you share the universe's steady beat? Let your imagination float, carried by the pulsar's beam, light and ethereal. Each flash is a reminder of density and grace, coexisting in the cosmic dance. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to align with this faraway spin. And as the neutron stars continue their luminous whirl, allow your thoughts to quiet, gentle as rain fading into mist, and gaze inward to the vastness beyond. The universe holds secrets in its silence, one being the sheer number of stars that adorn its depths. There are more stars in the observable cosmos than grains of sand on all Earth's beaches combined. Trillions upon trillions, each a glowing ember in the infinite night, outnumbering the tiniest specks we know. Our Milky Way alone cradles hundreds of billions, and beyond, galaxies stretch like rivers of light. Imagine scooping sand from a shore, each grain a star, yet the universe overflows with more. This abundance whispers of possibility, worlds unseen, stories untold in the cosmic weave. Stars born from clouds of gas, igniting in quiet bursts, their light traveling eons to reach us. What does it feel like to be one speck in such immensity, yet connected to every distant glow? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing the vast, uncountable rhythm of the stars. This multitude isn't overwhelming, it's comforting, like knowing the night sky holds endless companions. Scientists estimate 2 trillion galaxies, each brimming with stars. A tapestry too grand to fully grasp. Feel your spirit expand, merging with this boundless array, light and serene. These stars have shone for ages, Some long gone, their light still drifting to us like memories. What's it like to contemplate such numbers? To let them wash over you like a soft, stellar wave? Let your imagination soar, floating among the countless lights, weightless in their glow. Each star a quiet miracle, outnumbering sands, yet each one unique in the universe's embrace. Breathe slowly, allowing this wonder to settle, filling you with peaceful awe. And as the stars continue their infinite shimmer across the dark, let your breath soften, gentle as a whisper on a starlit night, and turn your thoughts to the unseen. The universe is alive with light we cannot see, waves of energy dancing beyond our eyes. Radio waves, infrared, ultraviolet. They ripple through space, carrying secrets from the cosmos. These invisible rays weave stories of stars being born, of galaxies colliding in silent grace. Our telescopes catch them, translating their whispers into colors we can only imagine. Picture it. A universe glowing with unseen hues, a tapestry of light too vast for human sight. This hidden radiance surrounds us, bathing every corner of space in its quiet warmth. What does it feel like to know you're immersed in light, even in the deepest dark? Your breath flows, now, in and out, mirroring the gentle pulse of these unseen waves. This invisible light tells of ancient events, stars that died before Earth was born. It's a reminder. The universe holds more than we'll ever see, yet it shares its secrets softly. Feel your body relax, sinking into the glow of this hidden cosmic sea. These waves have traveled eons, crossing voids to reach you, like a lullaby from the stars. What's it like to be part of this unseen dance? To feel the universe's light within you? Let your mind drift, carried by these silent rays, weightless and free. Each invisible wave is a thread, connecting you to the cosmos's endless story. Breathe deeply, letting your thoughts dissolve, like light fading into dusk. And as the universe hums with its unseen glow, close your eyes, soft as clouds dissolving at twilight, and imagine a sky filled with worlds. Beyond our sun, the universe teems with planets, perhaps more than the stars themselves. Exoplanets, orbiting distant suns. Some rocky like Earth, others vast and gaseous. Scientists have found thousands, yet trillions may hide in the galaxy's quiet corners. Each one a possibility. A place where winds might whisper or oceans might gleam. Picture it. Worlds spinning in silence, each with its own rhythm, its own story. Some are scorched by their stars, others frozen, bathed in eternal starlight. What does it mean that the cosmos might hold more homes than we can count? Your breath slows, now, in and out, echoing the orbits of these distant spheres. These planets don't compete. They simply exist, cradled in the universe's gentle embrace. Some may harbor life or remain silent, waiting for a traveler who'll never come. Feel your worries soften, melting like snow under a distant sun's faint warmth. The universe is generous, offering worlds beyond number, each a spark of wonder. What's it like to drift among these planets? To imagine their skies, their silent songs? Let your thoughts wander, floating through this cosmic sea of unseen worlds. Each planet turns in its own time, a quiet dance in the infinite night. Breathe gently, letting your spirit align with their distant, steady orbits. And as the planets spin in their silent realms, let your body relax, heavy as sand settling in a quiet tide, and turn your thoughts to the stars. Nothing in the universe moves faster than light, a cosmic law written in the fabric of space. at 186,000 miles per second in light races, yet even it is bound by this gentle limit. No star, no ship, no signal can outrun it, to a boundary as soft as it is absolute. This speed shapes time itself, bending it for those who travel near its edge. Imagine light's journey, crossing galaxies, yet never breaking this silent rule. It carries the universe's stories, from ancient stars to your eyes in patient waves. What does it feel like to live in a cosmos where even light knows restraint? Your breath mirrors this now, in and out. Steady, never rushing, always enough. This limit isn't confinement. It's a rhythm, a pulse that holds the cosmos together. Scientists marvel at it, a constant that ties the stars to the smallest atom in your hand. Feel your thoughts lighten, drifting like light itself, bound yet free in its flow. The universe doesn't hurry. It unfolds, measured by this gentle, universal law. What's it like to be part of this balance? To move within its calm embrace? Let your imagination glide, carried by light's patient journey through the dark. Each beam is a traveler, never rushing, yet reaching across eternity. Breathe slowly, letting your worries dissolve, like shadows in a beam of starlight. And as light continues its steady, cosmic race, allow your mind to wander, soft as mist rising from a silver lake, and picture the birth of galaxies. Long ago in the universe's youth, clouds of gas swirled, vast and weightless in the dark. Hydrogen and helium, the simplest elements, gathered, collapsing under their own quiet pull. From these clouds, galaxies took shape, stars igniting like sparks in a cosmic fog. Each galaxy, a family, billions of stars bound by gravity's gentle embrace. Imagine it, a nebula, glowing faintly, giving birth to worlds over millions of years. These clouds are the universe's cradles, where light and matter weave their first dance. What does it mean that even the grandest galaxies began as whispers of gas? Your breath flows now, in and out, echoing the slow collapse of those ancient clouds. This process continues, new galaxies forming in the universe's quiet corners. Scientists peer into these nurseries, seeing the glow of creation, soft and eternal. Feel your body soften, sinking into the calm of this cosmic beginning. Every star you see was born this way, a child of gas, now shining across the void. What's it like to come from such origins? To be woven from the universe's earliest breath? Let your thoughts drift, carried by the gentle currents of these star-forming clouds. Each galaxy glows with its own story, a testament to the patience of creation. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit merge with this ancient, glowing mist. And as the galaxies continue to form in their silent cradles, let your eyelids grow heavy, soft as twilight, settling over a quiet valley, and ponder the universe's size. It stretches beyond our sight, beyond our instruments, perhaps without end. The observable universe is vast, 93 billion light-years wide, yet it may be but a fraction. What if it goes on forever? An infinity of stars, galaxies, and silent voids. No edge, no center. Just an endless expanse, gentle and unyielding. Imagine drifting through this infinity, your thoughts as light as stardust, unbound. Scientists wonder if it loops, or simply unfolds, forever stretching into itself. What does it feel like to be part of something that may never end? Your breath slows, now, in and out, mirroring the universe's boundless rhythm. Infinity isn't daunting, it's freeing, a canvas where every possibility can breathe. Feel your worries dissolve, fading like ripples in an endless cosmic sea. The universe doesn't demand answers, it invites you to rest in its vastness. Picture yourself floating, weightless, carried by the idea of forever. What's it like to let go? To surrender to a cosmos that knows no limits? Each star, each galaxy, is a note in this infinite song, and you're part of it. Let your imagination wander, merging with the universe's endless, gentle tide. Breathe softly, allowing your spirit to expand into this boundless calm. And as the universe stretches into its infinite unknown, these cosmic enigmas, born from collapsed stars, swallow light and warp the fabric of space. Near their edge, time slows, a second stretching into eternity for those who venture close. Gravity's pull is so profound. It curves reality, making clocks tick at different rhythms. Inside, the singularity waits, a point where laws dissolve into infinite density. Picture it. Light circling the horizon, trapped in a dance of no escape. Black holes aren't voids of destruction, but gateways to mysteries, silent and deep. What does it feel like to know time itself bends to the universe's will? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing the slow warp of cosmic time. These giants grow by merging, singing gravitational waves across the void. Scientists detect their whispers, ripples that tell of unions in distant darkness. Feel your thoughts stretch, expanding into this profound, timeless realm. Black holes hold the universe's secrets, guardians of what lies beyond our grasp. What's it like to contemplate such power? Gentle in its inexorable pull, let your mind drift, carried by gravity's soft, inescapable tide. Each black hole is a poem, written in the language of space and time. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit align with this cosmic bend. And as black holes continue to warp the silent dark, allow your eyelids to rest, soft as dawn's first light on a quiet horizon, and listen to the Sunday. Our nearest star isn't silent. It hums with waves of sound trapped in its fiery depths. Plasma rises and falls, creating oscillations like a vast cosmic bell. These vibrations reveal its inner secrets, layers of heat and fusion pulsing gently. Helioseismology lets us hear this song, mapping the sun's heart through its subtle tremors. Imagine it, a star singing to itself, its melody echoing through space as light. Though we can't hear it with ears, its rhythm shapes the solar winds that touch our world. What does it mean that even the sun has a voice, quiet and eternal? Your breath matches this now, in and out, a harmony with the star's ancient tune. This song has played for billions of years, a lullaby for planets in its warm embrace. Scientists study its notes, predicting flares that dance across the sky. Feel your body warm, bathed in the imagined glow of this stellar symphony. The sun doesn't shout, it whispers, its plasma waves a gentle serenade. What's it like to be part of this music? To feel the universe's rhythm in your veins? Let your thoughts float, carried by the sun's soft, oscillating waves. Each pulse is a breath, connecting you to the heart of our solar home. Breathe deeply, allowing your spirit to resonate with this cosmic song. And as the sun continues its plasma melody, let your mind unwind, gentle as threads unraveling in a midnight breeze, and envision the unseen scaffold. Dark matter, invisible and vast, forms a web that holds the universe together. It doesn't shine or reflect, Yet its gravity shapes galaxies, clustering them in filaments. Without it, stars would scatter, like leaves lost in an endless storm. This mysterious substance outweighs visible matter, a silent architect of the cosmos. Picture it: threads of dark matter stretching across voids, cradling light in their grasp. Scientists infer its presence from the way galaxies move, defying what we see. What does it feel like to be woven into a web we cannot touch? Your breath flows now, in and out, tracing the invisible paths of this cosmic net. The web connects everything, from distant quasars to the atoms in your hand. It's a paradox of absence, present in every corner, gentle and profound. Feel your worries fade, dissolving into the dark matter's quiet hold. This web has endured since the Big Bang, a foundation for all that glows. What's it like to rest in such mystery? To know the unseen supports you? Let your imagination glide along the filaments, light and serene. Each galaxy nests in this web, a testament to the universe's hidden grace. Breathe gently, letting your spirit merge with this invisible embrace. And as dark matter continues to weave its eternal web, close your thoughts to the world, soft as snow falling on a silent plain, and follow a comet's trail. These icy wanderers, born in the solar system's distant fringes, carry secrets from billions of years ago. Frozen water, dust, and ancient gases, preserved like whispers in a cosmic time capsule. As they near the sun, they awaken, tails glowing in streams of sublimated ice. Halley's Comet returns every 76 years, a visitor linking generations across time. Imagine it, a streak across the sky, bearing messages from the universe's youth. Scientists study their compositions, clues to how planets formed, how life began. What does it mean that these travelers bring echoes of creation to our door? Your breath slows now, in and out, mirroring the comet's long, elliptical path. Comets don't rush. They orbit in patience, appearing when the time is right. They may have delivered water to Earth, seeding oceans in gentle collisions. Feel your body lighten, as if carried by a comet's faint, ethereal glow. These messengers traverse the dark, silent heralds of the solar system's story. What's it like to receive such ancient news? To feel connected to the dawn of worlds? Let your mind soar, trailing the comet's path through the velvet void. Each appearance is a reminder of time's vast cycle, gentle and unending. Breathe slowly, allowing your spirit to journey with these icy nomads. And as comets continue their timeless voyages, let your breath deepen, gentle as waves caressing a distant shore, and gaze toward future skies. Our Milky Way, a spiral of stars, is on a quiet path toward the Andromeda Galaxy. In 4 billion years, they will meet, not in crash, but in a slow gravitational embrace. Stars will dance around each other, rarely colliding in the vastness between. New shapes will form, perhaps an elliptical galaxy glowing with merged light. Picture it: two cosmic rivers blending, their arms intertwining in silent harmony. This merger is the universe's way, recycling, renewing in gentle cycles. What does it feel like to know your home galaxy will one day transform? Your breath echoes this now, in and out, a rhythm of inevitable, peaceful change. Scientists simulate this dance, seeing stars flung into new orbits, soft and precise. It's not destruction, but evolution, a whisper of cosmic renewal. Feel your thoughts expand, embracing this future union across the void. Galaxies have collided before, birthing new stars in their tender encounters. What's it like to be part of this grand merger? To drift towards such destiny? Let your imagination flow, carried by the galaxy's slow approaching tide. Each star will find its place in the new light of this blended cosmos. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit align with this eternal convergence. And as the Milky Way drifts toward Andromeda's glow, let your thoughts settle, gentle as dust motes in a moonbeam, and turn your gaze to the distant quasars. These brilliant beacons, powered by supermassive black holes, outshine entire galaxies with their glow. At the heart of young galaxies, gas spirals inward, heating to millions of degrees. This energy bursts forth as light visible across billions of light years. Quasars are relics of the early universe. Their shine a whisper from cosmic dawn. Imagine it, a single point blazing brighter than 1 trillion stars combined. Yet, they are small, compact, their power contained in a space no larger than our solar system. What does it feel like to witness such ancient, immense radiance from afar? Your breath flows, now, in and out, mirroring the quasar's distant, steady pulse. Scientists study their spectra, unraveling the universe's expansion through redshifted light. This brilliance fades over time, as the black hole quiets, its feast complete. Feel your spirit awaken, touched by this faraway fire, soft and profound. Quasars illuminate the cosmos's youth, guiding us through time's vast corridor. What's it like to be connected to such power, gentle in its enduring light? Let your mind drift, carried by the quasar's beam across the infinite dark. Each quasar is a testament to the universe's fiery beginnings. Breathe slowly, letting your thoughts dissolve in its ancient glow. And as quasars continue to shine from the edges of time, allow your body to relax, soft as waves lapping at a starry shore, and envision the surface of a neutron star. Beneath their crushing gravity, carbon atoms compress into vast diamond mountains. These peaks, though small by Earth standards, glisten in the star's intense magnetic field. A neutron star's crust is iron-strong, but deeper, elements forge into exotic matter. Diamonds form naturally, under pressures 1 billion times Earth's core. Picture it, a landscape of crystalline beauty, bathed in the star's faint glow. These mountains are mere millimeters tall, yet unbreakable, eternal in the cosmic cold. What does it mean that the universe hides such treasures in its densest hearts? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing the star's unyielding strength. Scientists model these worlds, probing the limits of matter in extreme realms. This diamond realm is silent, a quiet wonder amid the star's rapid spin. Feel your worries crystallize, then dissolve like frost under a gentle Sunday. Neutron stars guard these secrets, remnants of supernovae's graceful end. What's it like to dream of such jewels, forged in the fires of collapsed suns? Let your imagination sparkle, drifting through this diamond-studded void. Each facet reflects the universe's depth, a prism of infinite possibility. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to rest in this crystalline calm. And as neutron stars cradle their diamond mountains, let your eyelids grow heavy, gentle as twilight fading into night, and ponder the great voids. Between galaxies, space stretches vast, almost empty, with scarcely an atom per cubic meter. These cosmic deserts span millions of light years, silent seas where light travels alone. Yet, even here, Quantum fluctuations dance, particles blinking in and out of existence. The voids are the universe's quiet spaces, balancing the clustered glow of galactic walls. Imagine drifting through one, your thoughts as sparse as the scattered hydrogen. This emptiness isn't lonely. It's peaceful, a canvas for the cosmos's grand design. What does it feel like to embrace the nothing that holds everything together? Your breath slows now, in and out, filling the void within your mind. Scientists map these regions, finding them cooler, darker than the bustling clusters. The voids expand faster, carried by dark energy's subtle push. Feel your tensions evaporate, vanishing into this infinite, gentle expanse. These spaces remind us the universe thrives in balance, light and dark entwined. What's it like to rest in such vastness? To know you're never truly alone? Let your thoughts scatter, like atoms in the cosmic void, free and serene. Each void is a breath between the universe's glowing verses. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit merge with this empty, eternal peace. And as the voids continue their silent expansion, close your mind to the day, soft as petals folding at dusk, and delve into strange stars. In the universe's extremes, some neutron stars may harbor strange matter, quarks unbound and free. Up, down, and strange quarks mingle, forming a soup denser than atomic nuclei. This exotic state could be stable, converting ordinary matter upon contact. Hypothetical strangelets might wander, tiny relics of such collapsed cores. Picture it, a star not of neutrons, but of this peculiar fluid essence. These strange stars pulse differently, their vibrations a clue to inner mysteries. What does it mean that matter can take forms beyond our earthly dreams? Your breath flows, now, in and out, echoing the quark's quiet dance. Scientists hunt for signs in pulsar timings and gravitational waves. This strangeness is gentle, a whisper of the universe's deeper laws. Feel your curiosity stir, then settle, like quarks finding equilibrium. Strange matter challenges our views, inviting wonder into the cosmic fold. What's it like to contemplate such oddity? Woven into the stars above, let your imagination flow through this strange subatomic sea. Each quark, a note in the symphony of existence's hidden layers. Breathe slowly, allowing your spirit to embrace this profound enigma. And as strange stars continue their exotic hum, let your breath unwind, gentle as a cooling breeze at evening's end, and feel the universe's chill. Since the Big Bang, the cosmos has cooled, from searing heat to a mere 2.7 Kelvin. This cosmic microwave background glows faintly, an echo of creation's first light. As space expands, wavelengths stretch, temperatures dropping in gentle decline. In the future, it will cool further, stars fading, leaving a colder dark. Imagine it, the universe exhaling, its warmth diffusing into infinity. This cooling is the arrow of time, marking eras in soft thermal steps. What does it feel like to live in a cosmos that whispers cooler with each breath? Your breath mirrors this now, in and out, a rhythm of gradual release. Scientists measure this glow, mapping fluctuations that seeded galaxies. The chill isn't abrupt, but a slow fade, like embers in a dying fire. Feel your body cool, tensions melting into this universal serenity. The universe's temperature cradles us, a blanket of ancient radiation. What's it like to be part of this cooling flow? Eternal and profound. Thanks. Let your thoughts dissipate, like heat, into the cosmic void. Each degree lost is a chapter in the story of expansion's grace. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit align with this gentle descent. And as the universe continues its quiet cooling, let your breath ease, gentle as a sigh from a distant world, and turn your thoughts to Venus, our sister planet. It glows bright in the evening sky, a beacon of soft light, yet it spins unlike any other. While most planets turn eastward, Venus rotates west, a quiet rebellion against the solar flow. A day on Venus lasts longer than its year, 243 Earth days to spin once, orbiting in 225. This backward spin may come from an ancient impact, a cosmic nudge that reversed its path. Imagine standing on its surface, the sun rising in the west, setting in the east. Clouds of acid veil its secrets, a world of extremes, hot enough to melt lead. What does it feel like to know a planet dances to its own rhythm in the vastness? Your breath mirrors this now, in and out, a counterflow to the universe's usual spin. Scientists ponder its atmosphere. Runaway greenhouse, a warning whispered across space. Venus teaches patience, its slow turn a meditation on change and endurance. Feel your body unwind, as if cradled by Venus's gentle, contrary motion. This world reminds us, diversity thrives even in the heavens' grand design. What's it like to embrace such oddity? A planet turning back on convention? Let your mind rotate, drifting with Venus's unique, serene orbit. Each sunrise there is rare, a moment of quiet beauty in the cosmic dance. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit align with this backward grace. And as Venus continues its opposite spin, your consciousness fades, easing softly into the hush of sleep. Allow your thoughts to float in the longs, soft as clouds over a giant world, and delve into Jupiter's moons. Europa, Ganymede, Callisto. These icy spheres conceal vast oceans under frozen shells. Liquid water, warmed by tidal forces, stretches deeper than Earth's seas. Europa's ocean may hold more water than all our planets combined, a hidden realm of possibility. Plumes of vapor erupt from cracks, hints of subsurface life, whispering from afar. Imagine diving beneath the ice, into dark waters, where chemistry brews in silence. These moons orbit Jupiter's might, their waters pulled and heated by gravitational grace. What does it mean that hidden seas exist so close, yet worlds away? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing the tidal rhythms of these lunar depths. Scientists send probes, seeking signs of habitability in these subsurface havens. The oceans are calm, profound, cradles where life might stir in gentle currents. Feel your worries submerge, dissolving into the moon's icy, serene embrace. Jupiter's family teaches us, life may hide in the most unexpected places. What's it like to dream of such waters, vast and untouched by sunlight? Let your imagination plunge, carried by the moon's hidden, flowing tides. Each moon a secret keeper, guarding oceans in the solar system's quiet corners. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to rest in this subsurface peace. And as Jupiter's moons cradle their buried seas, your mind drifts, slipping tenderly into the calm of sleep. Let your eyelids rest, gentle as mist enveloping a distant horizon, and envision the Oort cloud, a vast spherical shell of icy bodies. surrounding our solar system like a cosmic halo. Trillions of comets dwell there, frozen remnants from the sun's birth, billions of miles away. Perturbed by passing stars, they sometimes plunge inward, streaking as comets across our sky. This cloud marks the edge, where solar gravity fades into interstellar space. Picture drifting through it, among silent ice worlds, in the universe's quiet fringe. The Oort cloud spans light years, a gentle boundary, sparse and eternal. What does it feel like to be wrapped in such an ancient, invisible shroud? Your breath slows now, in and out, mirroring the cloud's distant, patient orbit. Scientists infer its existence from long-period comets that visit like old friends. It's a reservoir of history, holding clues to the solar system's formative whispers. Feel your thoughts expand, merging with the cloud's vast, serene expanse. This envelope connects us to the galaxy's wandering stars and gentle tugs. What's it like to ponder this halo, a protector in the cosmic dark? Let your mind wander, carried by the Oort cloud's icy ethereal flow. Each comet a messenger from the system's quiet outer realms. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit align with this enveloping calm. And as the Oort cloud continues its silent watch, your consciousness eases, fading gently into the stillness of sleep. Close your senses to the noise, soft as embers cooling in the night, and reflect on supernovae. These stellar explosions, the deaths of massive stars, birth the heavy elements we cherish: gold, silver, iron, scattered into space, seeding future worlds with cosmic dust. In a flash brighter than a galaxy, atoms fuse in the core's final embrace. This alchemy transforms the simple into the complex, gentle in its violent grace. Imagine the blast, rippling outward, enriching nebulae with life's building blocks. Your body, your breath, owe their essence to these ancient, distant bursts. What does it mean that we are made from the hearts of exploded stars? Your breath flows now, in and out, echoing the supernova's expansive sigh. Scientists trace these elements in meteorites and spectra of faraway light. The explosion isn't end, but renewal, a cycle of creation in the cosmos. Feel your connection deepen to the universe's fiery, profound gifts. Supernovae remind us, destruction and birth entwine in eternal dance. What's it like to carry star stuff within your very being? Let your thoughts scatter like elements from a supernova's glow. Each atom, a legacy of the universe's generous, explosive heart. Breathe deeply, allowing your spirit to merge with this stellar origin. And as supernovae continue to forge new elements, your mind fades, resting softly in the hush of sleep. Let your breath unwind, gentle as frost spreading on a window pane, and contemplate the universe's fate. In the distant future, expansion may lead to a big freeze, where heat dissipates into cold. Stars will burn out, one by one, galaxies drifting apart in eternal isolation. Temperatures approach absolute zero. As entropy claims the cosmic stage, black holes evaporate slowly, time their hawking radiation a final faint whisper. Imagine the quiet, space growing emptier, darker, in gentle decline. This end is not dramatic, but a slow fade, like a lullaby trailing off. What does it feel like to know the cosmos may rest in infinite chill? Your breath mirrors this now, in and out, a cooling rhythm across time. Scientists model this scenario based on dark energy's persistent push. The freeze invites reflection on impermanence. Wrapped in serene acceptance, feel your tensions release into the universe's vast cooling embrace. Yet in this fate, beauty lingers in the memories of light and warmth. What's it like to surrender to the cosmos's ultimate peaceful repose? Let your imagination stretch into this future of quiet, endless night. Each fading star, a note in the universe's long, harmonious close. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit find calm in this profound destiny. And as the universe drifts toward its gentle freeze, your consciousness drifts, easing tenderly into the serenity of sleep. Let your mind wander, gentle as a stream tracing ancient paths, and picture Mars in its youth. The red planet, now dry and dusty, once brimmed with rivers, lakes, and perhaps oceans. Carved valleys and deltas whisper of water, flowing billions of years ago under a thicker sky. Minerals like hematite and clay bear the marks of liquid's gentle touch. This water may have harbored life in pools warmed by volcanic breath. Imagine walking those shores, feeling the mist from cascades long gone silent. Mars's atmosphere thinned over time, its waters freezing or vanishing into space. What does it mean that a neighbor world once mirrored our blue home? Your breath flows now, in and out, echoing the lost river's quiet course. Scientists rover across its surface, seeking signs of that watery past. The story is one of change, a planet's evolution in cosmic patience. Feel your thoughts refresh, like dew on Martian dawn's faint light. This red world teaches resilience. It scars a map of time's soft hand. What's it like to dream of ancient flows on a world so near yet far? Let your imagination meander, carried by Mars's vanished streams. Each canyon, a memory of water's dance in the solar wind. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit merge with this arid serenity. And as Mars holds its secrets of lost waters, your consciousness eases, fading gently into the calm of sleep. Allow your breath to steady, soft as fragments drifting in space, and explore the asteroid belt. Between Mars and Jupiter, a ring of rocky remnants echoes the solar system's birth. These asteroids, never forming a planet due to Jupiter's gravitational whisper. Ceres, the largest, hides water ice, a dwarf world in the belt's quiet embrace. Collisions scatter meteorites to Earth, bearing primordial materials for us to touch. Imagine floating among them, each stone a time capsule from eons past. Vesta's craters reveal layered histories of impacts and ancient lava flows. What does it feel like to hold pieces of the cosmos's infancy? Your breath slows, now, in and out, mirroring the belt's eternal orbit. Scientists classify them by type, carbon-rich or metallic, each a clue. The belt is sparse, not crowded. Vast spaces between these cosmic relics. Feel your worries fragment, dissolving like dust in the solar breeze. This region reminds us of unfinished stories in the universe's grand narrative. What's it like to ponder these leftovers? Guardians of creation's dawn? Let your thoughts orbit, carried by the asteroid belt's silent path. Each rock a witness to the planet's gentle assembly. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to rest in this relic-filled void. And as the asteroid belt continues its timeless drift, your mind drifts, slipping softly into the serenity of sleep. Let your eyelids soften, gentle as frost forming on a window, and gaze upon Saturn's rings. These shimmering bands, vast and thin, composed of countless icy particles, water ice, pure and ancient, reflecting sunlight in a cosmic halo. The rings span hundreds of thousands of miles, yet mere meters thick in places. Shepherd moons guide their edges, maintaining the delicate structure. Imagine skating across them, feeling the chill of billion-year-old snow, formed from shattered moons or comets. They whisper of violent births. What does it mean that beauty arises from such frozen elegance? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing the ring's subtle spin. Scientists probe with spacecraft, revealing gaps and waves in the ice. The rings may fade in time, raining down on Saturn's clouds. Feel your spirit lighten, as if dusted with the ring's ethereal glow. Saturn's adornment teaches transience, yet eternal in memory's hold. What's it like to behold such wonder? A planet's jeweled crown? Let your imagination circle, carried by the ring's icy dance, each particle a sparkle in the universe's quiet symphony. Breathe slowly, letting your thoughts dissolve in this frozen grace. And as Saturn's rings continue their luminous whirl, your consciousness fades, easing tenderly into the hush of sleep. Close your thoughts to the light, soft as shadows lengthening at dusk, and journey to Pluto's surface. This distant dwarf planet bears a heart, a vast plain of nitrogen ice, smooth and bright. Sputnik, Planitia, shaped like a valentine, filled with frozen gases in gentle repose. Convection cells churn beneath, renewing the surface in slow glacial flows. Mountains of water ice tower nearby, unmelted in the frigid cold. Imagine tracing its outline, feeling the chill of a world at the edge. Pluto's thin atmosphere freezes at night, snowing methane onto its lands. What does it feel like to see love etched in cosmic ice? Your breath flows now, in and out, mirroring Pluto's distant heartbeat. Spacecraft have mapped its wonders, revealing a world alive with geology. The heart is young, uncratered, a sign of ongoing, quiet renewal. Feel your emotions thaw, then settle in Pluto's serene freeze. This tiny world defies distance, its heart a symbol of enduring grace. What's it like to connect with such remoteness? A dwarf's profound charm? Let your mind wander, carried by Pluto's icy, heartfelt glow. Each feature, a story of survival in the solar system's far reaches. Breathe deeply, allowing your spirit to embrace this frozen affection. And as Pluto's heart continues its silent pulse, your mind eases, fading gently into the stillness of sleep. Let your breath release, gentle as a spacecraft sailing into the void, and reflect on the Voyager probes. Launched in 1977, these twins venture beyond, carrying golden records of Earth's essence. Sounds of waves, greetings in languages, music from Bach to chuckling children, images of our world, diagrams of humanity, a bottle in the cosmic ocean. Now, in interstellar space, they whisper humanity's story to the stars. Imagine the record playing, for eyes that may never see, ears that may never hear. The probes will drift for billions of years, silent ambassadors in the dark. What does it mean, 1905, that we send our voices into eternity's embrace? Your breath slows now, in and out, echoing the probe's endless journey. Scientists still listen to their signals. Faint reports from the heliosphere's edge. The message is one of hope. A gentle outreach from a pale blue dot. Feel your connection grow to this bold human gesture. Voyager reminds us, Zero, of curiosity's quiet power across the gulf. What's it like to ponder such legacy? Drifting in the interstellar wind, let your thoughts voyage, carried by the probe's golden song. Each note a bridge between worlds unknown. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit align with this cosmic outreach. And as the Voyager probes continue their silent flight, your consciousness drifts, resting softly in the calm of sleep. Let your thoughts quiet, gentle as echoes fading in a vast hall, and listen to the universe's first light. The cosmic microwave background, a faint glow, is the remnant of the Big Bang's fiery birth. This radiation fills all space, cooled to just above absolute zero over billions of years. It carries the imprint of the early cosmos, tiny fluctuations that seeded galaxies, uniform in every direction. It whispers of a hot, dense beginning. Imagine tuning into it. Like static on an old radio, the universe's ancient hum. Satellites map its patterns, revealing the shape and age of everything. What does it feel like to touch the light from time's dawn? Your breath flows now, in and out, echoing this primordial whisper. Scientists use it to test theories of inflation and dark matter's role. This background is everywhere, bathing you in the cosmos's oldest story. Feel your connection deepen to the universe's gentle, glowing past. The light has traveled forever, stretching as space expands. What's it like to be enveloped in creation's lingering warmth? Let your mind drift, carried by the microwave's soft, eternal wave. Each ripple a blueprint for the stars and worlds we know. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit merge with this ancient radiance. And as the cosmic background continues its faint glow, your consciousness eases, fading softly into the hush of sleep. Allow your breath to slow, soft as a tunnel through whispering winds, and ponder wormholes. Theoretical bridges in space-time, linking far-flung regions of the universe. Einstein-Rosen bridges, born from relativity, could shortcut the cosmic vastness. Stable ones might require exotic matter to hold open their throats against collapse. Traversable or not, they intrigue. Portals perhaps to other times or places. Imagine stepping through, emerging in a distant galaxy's gentle light. Quantum entanglement hints at connections, like wormholes on the smallest scales. What does it mean that space might fold in such mysterious ways? Your breath deepens now, in and out, mirroring the wormhole's curved path. Scientists explore in equations, seeking signs in black hole spins. These tunnels are dreams of unity in the divided cosmos. Feel your imagination bend, wrapping around this profound possibility. Wormholes whisper of shortcuts, gentle folds in reality's fabric. What's it like to envision such links? Bridging the infinite dark. Let your thoughts tunnel, carried by the wormhole's hypothetical flow. Each connection a thread, weaving the universe closer. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to traverse this cosmic bridge. And as wormholes linger in theory's realm, your mind drifts, slipping tenderly into the calm of sleep. Let your eyelids rest, gentle as veils between worlds, and contemplate the multiverse. Beyond our universe, others may bubble, each with its own laws and stories. Inflation theory suggests eternal expansion, spawning pocket universes in endless variety. Quantum many worlds branch realities. At every choice, a new path unfolds. String theory's landscapes offer myriad forms, dimensions curled in different ways. Imagine peeking into another, where stars sing different tunes. These parallels are unseen, yet mathematically graceful in their possibility. What does it feel like to be one thread in a cosmic tapestry of many? Your breath slows now, in and out, echoing across multiversal echoes. Scientists debate evidence in cosmic variances and fine-tuned constants. The multiverse invites wonder, a gentle expanse of infinite what-ifs. Feel your perspective widen, embracing this profound multiplicity. Each universe, a variation on the theme of existence's grace. What's it like to dream of parallels, where you wander other paths? Let your mind branch, carried by the multiverse's branching flow. Every possibility a world, serene in its separate glow. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit align with this vast array. And as the multiverse continues its infinite unfold, your consciousness fades, easing gently into the stillness of sleep. Close your senses to the rush, soft as a burst fading into night, and witness gamma-ray bursts. These flashes, the universe's most luminous events, outshine galaxies in seconds. Born from collapsing stars or merging neutron pairs, they beam energy across space. A single burst releases more power than the sun in its entire life. Detected from distant realms, they light up the sky in invisible rays. Imagine the surge, a cosmic beacon piercing the dark with gentle force. Satellites capture their afterglows, revealing host galaxies far away. What does it mean that such brilliance arises from stellar ends? Your breath flows now, in and out, mirroring the burst's fleeting pulse. Scientists classify them by duration, short for mergers, long for supernovae. These events seed elements, enriching the cosmos in their wake. Feel your awe ignite, then settle in the burst's serene aftermath. Gamma rays travel eons. Whispers of cataclysm turn to light. What's it like to behold such power, transient yet profound? Let your thoughts flash, carried by the gamma ray's swift journey. Each burst a story, Uteen 4, of transformation in the universe's heart. Breathe deeply, allowing your spirit to rest in this luminous peace. And as gamma ray bursts continue their distant flares, your mind eases, fading softly into the hush of sleep. Let your breath unwind, gentle as questions lingering in the air, and reflect on the Fermi paradox. With billions of stars and planets, where are the signs of extraterrestrial life? The universe's age allows time for civilizations to spread across galaxies. Yet silence reigns in our searches. No signals, no probes, no visitors. Filters may explain it. Rare earths, self-destruction, or hidden presences. Imagine listening for echoes in the vast, quiet cosmic sea. SETI scans the skies, seeking patterns in the static. What does it feel like to ponder our solitude in infinity? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing the paradox's quiet query. Scientists model probabilities, Drake's equation guiding the wonder. The paradox invites humility, a gentle reminder of unknowns. Feel your curiosity stir, then rest in the mystery's embrace. Aliens may thrive unseen, or we stand alone in gentle uniqueness. What's it like to question the silence, profound in its implications? Let your thoughts search, carried by the Fermi's enigmatic wave. Each star a potential home, serene in its distant glow. Breathe gently, letting your spirit align with this cosmic riddle. And as the Fermi paradox lingers in the stars, your consciousness drifts, slipping tenderly into the calm of sleep. Let your breath soften, gentle as a lone wanderer in the night. And imagine rogue planets. These worlds, untethered from stars, drift through the galaxy's dark expanses. Ejected from their systems by gravitational tugs, they roam free, cold, and silent. Some may hold subsurface oceans, warmed by internal heat, hidden from starlight. Billions may exist in the Milky Way, invisible nomads in the cosmic void. Picture one floating by, its icy surface reflecting distant galactic glow. Without a sun, days are eternal night, yet life might cling in gentle warmth below. What does it feel like to be a world without anchor, adrift in infinity? Your breath flows now, in and out, mirroring the planet's quiet voyage. Scientists detect them via microlensing, brief bends in starlight's path. These rogues challenge our views of homes needing stars' embrace. Feel your ties loosen, as if drifting with this planetary solitude. The universe harbors such freedom, gentle in its unbound grace. What's it like to ponder these loners? Serene in their stellar independence? Let your mind wander, carried by the rogue planet's endless drift. Each one, a mystery, a world unto itself in the dark. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit align with this cosmic nomad. And as rogue planets continue their silent wanderings, your consciousness eases, fading gently into the calm of sleep. Allow your thoughts to unwind, soft as time unfolding in whispers, and reflect on the universe's age, estimated at 13.8 billion years. Derived from the cosmic microwave background's glow, the Hubble constant gauges expansion, stretching light from distant galaxies red. This redshift tells a story of growth from a singular hot beginning. Adjustments come from supernovae, standard candles lighting the way. Imagine looking back, through telescopes, to the edge of observable time. The age is a gentle estimate, refined by waves and ancient light. What does it mean to live in a cosmos with such venerable history? Your breath slows now, in and out, echoing billions of years' passage. Scientists reconcile tensions between methods, seeking harmony in data. This timeline cradles us, a brief spark in eternal unfold. Feel your perspective stretch, embracing the profound depth of eons. The universe ages gracefully, its story written in light's journey. What's it like to measure infinity with the tools of finite minds? Let your imagination travel, carried by the light of ancient stars. Each year, a layer in the cosmos's timeless tapestry. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to rest in this ageless peace. And as the universe continues its measured expansion, your mind drifts, slipping softly into the serenity of sleep. Let your eyelids grow heavy, gentle as particles showering from above, and sense cosmic rays, high-energy protons and nuclei, hurtling from supernovae and black holes. They pierce Earth's atmosphere, creating cascades of secondary particles. some from beyond our galaxy, carrying energies beyond human creation. Detectors capture their trails. In vast arrays under open skies, imagine them streaming down, for invisible messengers from violent cosmic events. These rays shape our world, mutating DNA, sparking evolution's gentle turns. What does it feel like to be bathed in the universe's energetic whispers? Your breath deepens, now, in, and out, mirroring the rays' swift descent. Scientists trace their origins to active galaxies and stellar remnants. The rain is constant, soft, a connection to the cosmos's dynamic heart. Feel your energy renew. Touched by these far-traveled visitors, cosmic rays remind us of the universe's lively, unseen flow. What's it like to welcome such power, profound in its subtle arrival? Let your thoughts cascade, carried by the cosmic rays' energetic path. Each particle, a story. From the stars' explosive grace, breathe slowly, letting your spirit align with this stellar shower. And as cosmic rays continue their eternal reign, your consciousness fades, easing tenderly into the hush of sleep. Close your mind to distractions, soft as gravity's invisible hand, and feel the great attractor, a massive concentration of matter, drawing our local group across the void. Hidden behind the Milky Way's dust, it tugs with gentle, immense force. Galaxies stream toward it, scarm at millions of miles per hour, over cosmic scales. This anomaly bends our path, a subtle current in the universe's flow. Imagine the pull, guiding clusters through the dark, unseen. Observations reveal superclusters, converging on this gravitational heart. What does it mean that even galaxies follow unseen calls? Your breath flows, now, in and out, echoing the attractor's quiet summons. Scientists map the motion, using peculiar velocities of distant lights. The attractor is vast, profound, a nexus in the cosmic web. Feel your direction shift, aligning with this universal drift. It teaches humility in the face of hidden cosmic influences. What's it like to be drawn toward mysteries beyond sight? Let your imagination gravitate, carried by the great attractor's tide. Each galaxy a traveler in the universe's gentle convergence. Breathe deeply, allowing your spirit to merge with this pulling peace. And as the great attractor continues its silent call, your mind eases, fading gently into the stillness of sleep. Let your breath settle, gentle as threads connecting distant points, and delve into quantum entanglement. Particles linked, no matter the distance. Their states intertwined in instant harmony. A change to one affects the other, defying classical notions of space. Einstein called it spooky action, yet experiments confirm its gentle reality. In space, satellites test its reach, beaming entangled photons over miles. Imagine two specks, forever bound, whispering across the void. This phenomenon powers quantum computing and probes the fabric of reality. What does it feel like to know connection transcends separation? Your breath mirrors this now, in and out, a rhythm of unified states. Scientists harness it for secure communication, unbreakable bonds in light. Entanglement is profound, serene, a reminder of the universe's oneness. Feel your links strengthen to the cosmos's subtle web. It challenges our senses, inviting wonder into the quantum realm. What's it like to embrace such unity across infinite divides? Let your thoughts entwine, carried by entanglement's instantaneous flow, each pair a miracle in the universe's connected grace. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit align with this quantum bond. And as quantum entanglement continues its mysterious link, your consciousness drifts, resting softly in the calm of sleep. Let your thoughts expand, gentle as a lens peering into infinity. And behold the Hubble Deep Field, a tiny patch of sky, seemingly empty, unveiled thousands of galaxies in a single gaze. Each speck a universe of stars, some from when the cosmos was young. Light traveled 13 billion years. To paint this portrait of the past, Hubble stared for days, capturing faint glows from the edge of time. Imagine the view. A cosmic tapestry woven with ancient light. These galaxies are building blocks, merging, growing in silent grace. What does it feel like to see the universe's childhood in a glance? Your breath flows now, in and out, echoing the light's long journey. Scientists analyze the colors, tracing evolution from blue youth to red maturity. The field is profound, serene, a window to the cosmos's history. Feel your wonder deepen, merging with this distant, glowing array. Hubble's gift reminds us of the vastness hidden in the dark. What's it like to witness such depth in a sky we thought bare? Let your mind focus, carried by the deep field's ancient beams. Each galaxy a story, from the universe's gentle dawn. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit align with this cosmic vista. And as the Hubble Deep Field continues to inspire, your consciousness eases, fading softly into the hush of sleep. Allow your breath to quicken subtly, soft as space stretching wider, and sense dark energy. This mysterious force, pervading the void, pushes galaxies apart ever faster. Discovered in distant supernovae, their dimness revealing acceleration's hand. It counters gravity's pull, a cosmic repulsion, gentle yet dominant. Comprising most of the universe, it shapes our fate in quiet power. Imagine the push, an invisible wind carrying the cosmos outward. Without it, the universe might collapse, but now it expands eternally. What does it mean that emptiness holds such expansive might? Your breath deepens now, in and out, mirroring the universe's growing sigh. Scientists measure its strength through cosmic surveys and light's bend. Dark energy is enigmatic, profound, a key to the cosmos's destiny. Feel your horizons widen, embracing this accelerating flow. It invites contemplation of a future vast and chill. What's it like to feel the push of the universe's hidden energy? Let your thoughts accelerate, carried by dark energy's subtle tide. Each galaxy recedes in the universe's gentle, endless drift. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to expand with the cosmos. And as dark energy continues its accelerating whisper, your mind drifts, slipping tenderly into the calm of sleep. Let your eyelids rest, gentle as dust gathering in clouds, and envision the pillars of creation, towering columns in the Eagle Nebula, where stars are born from gas and dust. These pillars, light years tall, sculpted by winds from young, hot stars. Dense pockets shield nascent suns, cradling them in cosmic wombs. Hubble's images capture their grace, trunks of interstellar matter glowing. Imagine floating near, feeling the warmth of creation's gentle breath. Erosion reveals hidden treasures, protostars emerging in soft light. What does it feel like to witness the birthplace of stars? Your breath slows now, in and out, echoing the pillars' slow dissolve. Scientists study their composition. Hydrogen, helium weaving new life. The pillars are transient, profound, destined to fade in millions of years. Feel your beginnings stir. Connected to these stellar cradles, they remind us of renewal, gentle cycles in the cosmic dance. What's it like to gaze upon creation, serene in its dusty embrace? Let your imagination pillar. Carried by the nebula's forming flow, each column a sanctuary for the universe's newborn lights. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit merge with this nurturing peace. And as the pillars of creation continue their stellar birth, your consciousness fades, easing gently into the stillness of sleep. Close your senses to the pull, soft as gravity's inescapable whisper, and approach the event horizon, the boundary around a black hole, where light and matter cannot escape. Beyond it, space-time curves infinitely, a veil to the singularity's secrets. Time dilates near its edge. Observers see falling objects freeze eternally. This horizon is gentle in theory, a mathematical line in the cosmic fabric. Imagine hovering close, feeling the tug, the light bending around. Ships crossing vanish from sight, their signals redshifted to infinity. What does it mean? That some thresholds lead to unknown realms. Your breath flows now, in and out, teetering on the horizon's rim. Scientists simulate crossings, probing quantum effects at the boundary. The horizon is profound, serene, a gateway to the universe's mysteries. Feel your curiosity balance on the edge of this cosmic divide. It challenges our understanding of reality's gentle folds. What's it like to contemplate the irreversible in the black hole's grasp? Let your thoughts approach, carried by the event horizon's pull, each crossing a journey into the universe's hidden heart. Breathe deeply, allowing your spirit to rest near this threshold. And as the event horizon continues, its silent god, your mind eases, fading softly into the hush of sleep. Let your breath unwind, gentle as light filtering through branches, and explore the Lyman Alpha forest. Absorption lines in quasar spectra, tracing hydrogen clouds in the intergalactic medium. These trees map the cosmic web, filaments of gas between galaxies. Each line a shadow, cast by neutral hydrogen on distant light. This forest reveals structure, the universe's skeleton in gentle outline. Imagine the spectrum, a barcode of the cosmos's vast network. Astronomers use it to study reionization, when stars lit the dark ages. What does it feel like to read the universe's gaseous blueprint? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing the forest's diffuse flow. Telescopes capture these patterns, unveiling the web's evolution. The forest is profound, serene, a record of cosmic growth. Feel your connections branch, linking to this intergalactic tapestry. It whispers of unity, gentle threads holding the void. What's it like to navigate such shadows? Serene in their spectral grace? Let your thoughts absorb, carried by the Lyman Alpha's lines. Each absorption, a node in the universe's woven piece. Breathe gently, letting your spirit align with this cosmic map. And as the Lyman Alpha forest continues its spectral display, your consciousness drifts, resting tenderly into the calm of sleep. Let your breath soften, gentle as gas clouds gathering in the night, and gaze into the Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery glowing in the sword of Orion, where thousands of stars are born. Hot, young stars illuminate the gas, painting swirls of hydrogen in pink and blue. Protostellar disks swirl around infants, potential homes for future planets. This nebula spans light years, a canvas of creation in cosmic hues. Imagine drifting through its veils, feeling the warmth of nascent light. Winds from massive stars carve cavities, shaping the nebula's gentle form. What does it feel like to witness the forge of celestial lights? Your breath flows now, in and out, echoing the nebula's pulsing birth. Telescopes reveal hidden details, brown dwarfs and runaway stars. The Orion Nebula is young, profound, a fleeting phase in stellar life. Feel your origins stir. Connected to this factory of stars, it reminds us of beginnings. Gentle sparks in the dark. What's it like to behold such fertility? Serene in its gaseous grace? Let your mind nebula. Carried by Orion's forming flow, each star a promise, emerging from the universe's womb. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit merge with this stellar piece. And as the Orion Nebula continues its star-making dance, your consciousness eases, fading gently into the calm of sleep. Allow your thoughts to steady, soft as light beaming through emptiness, and contemplate the speed of light. In vacuum, it races unchanging, 299,792 kilometers per second, a universal constant. This speed limits information's travel, binding cause and effect in gentle order. No matter the observer's motion, light's pace remains the same, profound. Relativity builds on this foundation, warping time and space around it. Imagine chasing a beam, yet it slips away at constant velocity. Experiments confirm its invariance. In labs and cosmic observations, what does it mean? That light sets the cosmos's rhythm. Your breath slows now, in and out, mirroring light's unwavering path. Scientists use it to define meters, a benchmark for all measurements. The constant is serene, absolute, a pillar in the universe's laws. Feel your pace align with this eternal, gentle speed. It invites wonder at reality's elegant design. What's it like to live bound by light's immutable grace? Let your imagination beam, carried by the speed of light's flow. Each photon a messenger, traversing the void unchanging. Breathe gently, allowing your spirit to rest in this constant peace. And as the speed of light continues its eternal race, your mind drifts, slipping softly into the serenity of sleep. Let your eyelids relax, gentle as a distant glow in the night sky, and spot the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest large neighbor, 2.5 million light-years away, visible as a faint smudge on clear nights. The light you see left long ago, when early humans walked the Earth. This spiral galaxy mirrors our own, with billions of stars in gentle arms. It's approaching us slowly, destined to merge in billions of years. Imagine staring at it, feeling the connection across the void. Binoculars reveal its core, a hazy ellipse in the constellation Andromeda. What does it feel like to gaze upon another galaxy with bare eyes? Your breath deepens now, in and out, echoing Andromeda's ancient light. Astronomers count its stars, estimating 1 trillion in its vast embrace. The sight is profound, serene, a reminder of our place in the cosmos. Feel your vision sharpen, embracing this faraway neighbor. It whispers of unity, gentle bridges between galactic homes. What's it like to see such distance, serene in the night? Let your thoughts travel, carried by Andromeda's faint glow. Each photon, a link to the universe's neighboring grace. Breathe slowly, letting your spirit align with this visible wonder. And as the Andromeda galaxy continues its quiet shine, your consciousness fades, easing tenderly into the hush of sleep. Close your mind to the beyond, soft as a curtain drawn across infinity, and ponder the cosmic horizon. The farthest we can see, 46 billion light-years, shaped by expansion's gentle push. Beyond lies more universe, unseen, perhaps forever. Light from farther hasn't reached us since the Big Bang's dawn. This bubble grows with time, revealing new wonders slowly. Imagine the edge, a sphere of last scattering, profound. Telescopes peer to its limits, capturing the microwave background. What does it mean that our view is bounded in the infinite? Your breath flows now, in and out, mirroring the horizon's expanding rim. Scientists calculate its radius using Hubble's law and dark energy. The horizon is serene, absolute, a veil on the cosmos's full extent. Feel your awareness stretch when your speed to the limits of observable light. It invites humility in the face of unseen vastness. What's it like to contemplate the unseen, profound in its mystery? Let your imagination horizon, carried by the cosmic boundaries, flow. Each glimpse a gift from the universe's visible grace. Breathe deeply, allowing your spirit to rest at this edge. And as the cosmic horizon continues its silent expansion, your mind eases, fading gently into the stillness of sleep. Let your breath settle, gentle as balance in a cosmic scale, and consider the universe's density. Its matter and energy total determines if it's flat, open, or closed. Observations show it's flat, with density precisely at the critical value. This balance allows eternal expansion, without collapse or hyperbolic curve. Dark matter and energy tip the scales, in gentle equilibrium. Imagine the measurement in a B/B, a fine-tuned parameter, profound. Cosmologists use supernovae and background radiation to gauge this density. What does it feel like to live in a perfectly balanced cosmos? Your breath slows. Now, in and out, echoing the density's critical harmony. The flatness problem puzzles theorists, suggesting inflation's smoothing hand. This density is serene, exact, a foundation for the universe's form. Feel your existence align with this cosmic precision. It whispers of design or multiversal chance, gentle. What's it like to ponder such tuning? Serene in its implication? Let your thoughts density, carried by the universe's balanced flow. Each atom contributes to the cosmos's flat grace. Breathe gently, letting your spirit merge with this critical piece. And as the universe's density continues its perfect balance, your consciousness drifts, resting softly in the calm of sleep. Let your breath soften, gentle as a cosmos before light's dawn, and drift back to the dark ages. After the Big Bang's glow faded, the universe entered a starless void. No suns shone, only gas and darkness. A quiet interlude before creation. Hydrogen clouds drifted, cooling, waiting for gravity's gentle nudge. Then, the first stars ignited, ending the dark with bursts of primal light. Imagine that silence. A universe holding its breath before the stellar age. These stars, massive and short-lived, forged elements in their fiery hearts. What does it feel like to linger in a time before the stars awoke? Your breath flows now, in and out, echoing the Dark Age's silent pause. Scientists study reionization. When these stars lit the cosmic fog, the era was profound, serene, a prelude to the galaxies we know. Feel your thoughts quiet, merging with this starless, gentle void. The Dark Ages remind us, light emerges from the deepest calm. What's it like to rest in such darkness? Serene in its waiting grace? Let your mind wander, carried by the universe's pre-stellar hush. Each starless moment, a canvas for the cosmos's radiant birth. Breathe deeply, letting your spirit align with this ancient peace. And as the Dark Ages fade into stellar light, your consciousness eases, slipping softly into the calm of sleep. And now, dear traveler, we arrive at the edge of night. 50 stories have passed, each one a glimmer, a whisper, a heartbeat of the cosmos. You do not need to keep them. They are the dust of stars, already woven into your breath. Feel your body drift lighter, slower, until even gravity forgets your name. Above you, the constellations turn with ancient grace. Below you, the dark hums with quiet life. The universe keeps its rhythm patient, eternal, endlessly tender. You are part of that rhythm, a note in the great song of being. Your silence is its music. Thank you for walking this path of starlight. Your presence glows faintly, beautifully, in the dark, a reminder that even the smallest light is infinite. And now, as the night folds its arms around you, let go. Drift, beyond thought, beyond sound, into the velvet horizon of sleep.